Hi, my name is Kiana. I am the owner and chief crafter at teetoesandbows.com. We're actually in the process of changing our name to TTB Designs, but welcome. Today the video is going to be how to make your very own Lion King shirt. We have all highly anticipated going to see the Lion King. I think is a childhood favorite for us all, and for me personally, my kids have never seen it. My kids have never seen it, so they don't share the same sentiments that I have for the movie. But I decided to make my little one a shirt, and I decided to make her this really cute, working on my Roar shirt. And because she's a girl, I decided to put on a pink shirt, and I even decided to add a cute little hair bow to it. I am going to walk you through how to make this adorable shirt, and if you have a boy, you can remove the bow and I completely designed the graphic myself, and then I use heat transfer vinyl to apply it to the shirt. Even though my kids don't know much about the Lion King, I still feel that they need a shirt made for when we go see it. So I'm going to show you how to make this super duper cute, easy shirt. Stay tuned. So I'm in my Silhouette Design Studio. I'm pulling on the sides of the image so I can resize it. I'm then going to highlight the image, and then I'm going to ungroup it so then I can remove the hair bow. I want to cut it a different color vinyl. I'm going to now group the image back together, and then I'm going to flip the image horizontally. Now I'm sending it to be cut. I'm selecting the heat transfer smooth, and now the silhouette is cutting. So what I'm doing right here is weeding all the extra vinyl. And what weeding means is just to remove all the excess vinyl that you don't need. Now when you are weeding your design, make sure that you're very careful when doing so, because sometimes your vinyl has a tendency to pull up. So that's why it's very important to kind of roll your vinyl off the carrier sheet instead of pulling it up off the carrier sheet, because you can add too much pressure. It can make some letters come up. Sometimes you have to be very delicate with your weeding so you don't pull up any part of your image. So now I'm going to set my Cricut Easy Press to 330 degrees for 30 seconds. I have a heat press, but I find that for smaller projects it's easier to just go ahead and use the Easy Press. I'm now going to start off by just ironing out the wrinkles of the shirt. And I'm just going to set my Teflon sheet over it and just iron out the wrinkles. So now I'm just going to eyeball where I want the design to go on the shirt. For a little small shirt like this, it's pretty easy to find where the center of the shirt is. So once I find my center of the shirt, I'm then going to put my Teflon sheet over the shirt, and I'm going to press the shirt for 30 seconds. Slowly remove the carrier sheet from your vinyl. Be careful because sometimes your vinyl might not be properly adhered and you might have to press it again. Now I'm going to add that hair bow. I did it in a really cute leopard print vinyl. I'm peeling that off, and now I'm going to do a final press. I'm going to put the Teflon sheet and do it for another 30 seconds. And voila, the shirt is done.